These vinyl adhesives are a great way to put a sticker on glass where you won't have to scrape it off after the fact. You can just peel it right off. The nice thing about these is it works well in really hot conditions or really cold conditions. But once you put a sticker on this, you're not peeling off the sticker. You just have to peel off the adhesive. It always comes right off. So as a father with boys who absolutely love putting stickers on things, this is such a great idea. Now, these were sent to me so I could try them out and make this video. This is what it's like when you put it on glass. You can put it on kind of a couple different ways. You could put it on the inside or the outside. Obviously, it's going to adhere better if it's on the outside because you're using the full thing, but you can also do it the other way. But obviously where the sticker part is, it's not going to adhere. So you want to leave as much of this on as you can if you're going to do it that way. If you're going to do it on the outside, you can go ahead and cut the adhesive to be whatever size you want. These come in a pack of 20. So let's have a closer look at just this one. It is 5 inches by 6 inches. It's just on a white piece of paper. It's essentially identical on both sides, but let's go ahead and put a sticker on that. This is a sticker. Yay. So we'll go ahead and place the sticker on. Now we can put this on glass and we don't have to worry about the sticker getting stuck on glass. And you can see that the sticker is sticking quite well to this adhesive. Once you have it on for a while, it's just going to be as stuck as can be. Even if you don't use these for stickers, but you just want to write a message on there with a permanent marker, that also works really well. So anything you need to put on glass, whether it's a vehicle or a house window or anything, these just work great. They save you a lot of hassle from having to scrape off stickers.